Sharma and Education. Today we will discuss what is political theory. As you know, political theories comprises with two words, political and theory. Dear friends, political refer to matter of public concern. It means political it related to public concerns, and theory refer to systematic knowledge. It means political theory related to public concern matter systematic study. As you know, dear friend, political word was originated from the Greek word politica. Politica word was first used by the famous thinker Aristotle. Aristotle famous book Politics. His ideal state was the polity. Polity state is based by the rule of law and ruled by the middle class. Dear friends, political theory is very core branch of the political science. We may say that political theory is the core branch of the political science. Political theory, there are two major types of political theory. There are two types of political theory. Two major types of political theory, types of political theory. First, normative political theory. Second, empirical political theory. Normative political theory, it means traditional political theory. Traditional political theory, या idealistic political theory, it focus on value, ideas. And second, empirical political theory, it focus on fact and scientific technique. Dear friends, many different scholars have defined the political theory as David Held. David Held is famous political scientist. He wrote many books. His famous books, Introduction to the Political Theory, to the critical theory. He was an American political scientist. He defined political theory, network of concepts and the generalizations about political life involving idea, assumptions, statement about the nature, purpose and key feature of government, state and society, and about the political capability of human being. It means David Held accept political theory is the very important part of the political science. It included fact and value, both are the fact and value. Second important thinker, W. Coker. W. Coker is also a famous political scientist. He was American political scientist. His famous book Recent Political Thought, his famous book recent political thought 1985. He defined the political science, a branch of political science concerned chiefly with the idea of past and present political thinkers and the doctrine and proposals of political movement and group discussion of the proper scope of governmental action as usually been regarded as a proper part of the political theory. It means W. Coker also accept that both fact and value is the important part of the political theory. Third thinker, famous thinker is David Peretz, considered political theory as a tradition of thinking about the nature of political power, the condition for its just and unjust use, the right of individual, minority and majority, and the nature and the bounds of political community rather than the taking pressing political problem. One at a time, political theorists seeks systematic solution in overall vision of just society or comprehensive dialogue of the root of operation and the domination in the existent political order. David Peretz also accept that both fact and value are the important part of the political theory. Andrew Hacker is also famous political scientist. He believed empirical political theory. He defined political theory a combination of disinterested search for the principle of good state and good society on the hand and the disinterested search for knowledge of political and social reality of other. It means Andrew Hacker also believed both fact and value are involved in the political theory. The next thinker, George Catlin. George Catlin is the famous American political scientist. He defined political science as a social control, public life control. He defined political theory. Political theory included political science and political philosophy. It means he also believed both are the type of political theory are important. It is concerned with means political philosophy is concerned with the end or final value when men ask what is the national good or what is good society. Next thinker, John Clementage, defined political theory, the analysis of classification of the vocabulary of politics and the critical examinations, verification, justification of the concepts employed in political argument. John Clementage and next thinker, Gould and Kolb, who says that the political theory is a subfield of political science. Important mark for examinations. First, political philosophy, a moral theory of politics and historical study of political ideas. A, scientific criteria. B, scientific criteria. C, linguistic analysis of political ideas. D, the discovery and systematic development of generalization about political behavior. It means Gould and Kolb also says political philosophy and empirical theory both are important for us. Next thinker, John Donne. John Donne is the greatest new traditional thinker. He believed in ideas, value and revival of the political theory. He also says कि he also believed that this can be done by the developing the following three skills. He believed in three skills: ascertaining how one get to know where one is, and understanding why things are the way they are, deliberating about the kind of world and one wish to live in. Third, judging how for and through what action and what risk one can hope to move this world as it exists today towards the way one wishes to be. At last, we can say, on the basis of the above definition, it can be concluded the political theory is concerned with the study of the phenomena of the state, both is philosophical as empirical term. It means to measure types of the political theory important for us and for political theory. Next term, there are two major type of political theory: normative political theory based more on philosophical and ethics and type of theory explores how the world should be and how to the government should ideally work. Empirical political theory based on the scientific method. This type of theory explore how the government is currently functioning. It means empirical theory believe to fact, scientific technique and currently functioning. And normative political theory is focused on ethics and government of ideally work, good society and good state. Now we wide level distinction between political philosophy and the empirical political theory. First of all, political philosophy, it focuses on value and moral and ideas. Empirical political theory, it focuses on fact and scientific technique. Second, features of the political philosophy, it believe in macro study, it use macro study. It means it centers, its main study centers is like a state, government. Second, empirical political theory used micro study area like person, voting behavior, caste, group. The third features of the political philosophy, in which we studied formal institutions like state, government and political parties. The third features of the scientific political theory, in which we studied the informal institutions like pressure group and NGO. The fourth features of the political philosophy use secondary data. The fourth features of empirical political theory use primary data. Secondary data means old data and primary data means empirical data, like current data. The five features of the political philosophy, it was effective in the East world. The fifth number features of the scientific empirical political theory, it was effective in the West world. The sixth features of political philosophy, in belief in just and unjust work. The sixth feature number empirical political theory, belief in right and wrong work. Seventh features of the political philosophy, it impact in the political science until the Second World War. And the seventh features of the empirical political theory, it is still effective after the Second World War. It means empirical political theory is the current theory of the political theory, current theory of the political science. And we can say normative political theory believed to the old and the ancient old part of the political theory, and empirical political theory is a new part of the political theory. It related to teleological study, it believe in action study. Eighth number, According to normative theory, political theory, main works are criticized and the revival. The main two work of the political theory according to normative political theory, political theory, main work of political theory, first criticism and second revival. According to empirical political theory, main work of the political theory is explanations. It has been used by many political philosophers and the other scholars. So, political philosophy and normative theory used by the many political philosophers and other scholars like Plato, Aristotle, Thomas Aquinas, Machiavelli, Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, Bertrand Russell. We can say all political Western thinker, Plato to Marx, believe in normative political theory. It used normative political theory, and due scientific political scholar used empirical political theory like David Easton, Robert David Held, Andrew Hacker belong to the empirical political theory. Dear friends, today we will clear the what is the political theory. Try to understand the next class. We discuss the normative political theory. Thank you so much.